In this video, we listed the 8 best plumber tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Klein Tools Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. The Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge is a highly precise tool used for measuring and setting angles in a range of construction, woodworking, and home improvement tasks. It offers accurate measurements within 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees, making it ideal for checking level and plumb surfaces, as well as setting and transferring angles for various applications. This tool is versatile and user-friendly, designed with a digital LCD display that shows readings clearly and allows for smooth calibration. It can be used on flat or round surfaces thanks to its built-in magnets and V-groove edges, enabling secure attachment to pipes, conduit, or metal surfaces. In the context of user interests, such as those involving precision work with power tools like chainsaws, soldering irons, or planers, the Klein Tools 935 DAG would complement projects requiring accurate alignment and angle measurements. Product 2. Product name: Rigid 29983 Model 223S Tubing and Pipe Reamer. The Rigid 29983 Model 223S Tubing and Pipe Reamer is a highly effective tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with copper and stainless steel tubing. It reams both the inner and outer surfaces of pipes, ensuring smooth edges for a proper fit and preventing damage during installation. The model accommodates a wide range of tubing sizes, from 1/4 to 1 1/4, making it versatile for various plumbing, HVAC, and metalworking applications. This small reamer is compact and durable, making it suitable for tight spaces. Its ergonomic design provides comfortable handling, ensuring ease of use over extended periods. With its focus on precision and efficiency, the Rigid 223S Reamer is an essential tool for achieving clean cuts and avoiding burrs that could disrupt fluid flow or compromise the integrity of fittings. Whether used in household or industrial settings, the Reamer delivers high performance and reliability for anyone working with copper and stainless steel pipes. Product 3. Product name: Drain Snake 2.0, 50 feet, with drill attachment. The Drain Snake 2.0, 50 feet, with drill attachment is an ideal tool for tackling household plumbing issues, particularly for DIY enthusiasts looking to efficiently unblock sinks and drains. Designed as a plumbing snake, it comes with a 50-foot, a 1/4-inch auger that is flexible enough to navigate through pipes, yet sturdy for dealing with tough clogs. The drill attachment enhances the tool's power, allowing it to work faster and more effectively compared to manual snakes, making it perfect for sinks, showers, and other drains. This tool fits well into the user's interests in practical DIY tools, such as their interest in items like the razor blade scraper tool, the Jorgensen mini wood planer, and the DIY car windshield repair tools. Just like these, the Drain Snake 2.0 offers an efficient, hands-on solution for home improvement and maintenance tasks. Its solid construction makes it a reliable choice for real DIYers who prefer fixing problems themselves. Product 4. Product name: 16 tons Hydraulic Wire Crimping Tool. The 16 tons hydraulic wire crimping tool is a heavy-duty crimping tool designed for industrial and professional use, ideal for crimping battery cable lugs, terminals, and other heavy-gauge wires. It offers a crimping range from 9 AWG to 600 MCM, making it versatile for various wire sizes. The tool is equipped with 13 pairs of dies, allowing for precision and flexibility across a range of applications. With a hydraulic system that delivers 16 tons of crimping force, this tool ensures tight, secure crimps, making it particularly useful in automotive, electrical, and construction settings where strong, reliable connections are essential. The tool's hydraulic mechanism reduces manual effort and fatigue, making it suitable for extended use, while the interchangeable dies provide adaptability for different wire types and sizes. It is commonly used for crimping cables in battery systems, solar panels, electric vehicles, and industrial machinery. The crimper is also built with a sturdy, ergonomic design for ease of use, with handles that offer a comfortable grip for enhanced control during operation. This hydraulic tool is ideal for those who need a durable, efficient solution for working with heavy-duty cables. Product 5. Product name iCrimp PEX Clamp Tool Kit. The iCrimp PEX Clamp Tool Kit is a versatile and essential tool designed for working with PEX tubing in various plumbing applications. This kit supports multiple PEX clamp sizes, including 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, making it suitable for a range of piping installations. It allows for efficient cinching and removal of PEX clamps, ensuring secure connections in both residential and commercial setups. The kit comes complete with 20 pieces of 1/2 inch PEX clamp rings and 10 pieces of 3/4 inch PEX clamp rings, along with a PEX tubing cutter for easy and precise cutting of tubing. This comprehensive set makes it convenient for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require reliable tools for PEX plumbing. The inclusion of a tubing cutter enhances its practicality, enabling users to handle PEX installation tasks more efficiently. Product 6. Product name Multifunctional Sink Wrench. The Multifunctional Sink Wrench is a 2024 upgraded tool designed for enhanced ease and versatility in plumbing maintenance. This dual-head basin wrench set is particularly useful for home fittings and pipe maintenance, making it ideal for tasks in both the kitchen and bathroom. Its universal design accommodates 7 different sizes, allowing it to fit a wide range of sink and pipe components, such as nuts, valves, and taps. The wrench set features a 4-claw hexagon wrench kit, which enhances grip and provides secure handling during repairs. This kit is designed to tackle common plumbing issues, including the installation and removal of faucets, supply nuts, and sink strainers. With its ergonomic handle and anti-slip design, it offers greater control and minimizes strain during use. Product 7. Product name Hortmec Copper Tubing Cutter Set. The Hortmec Copper Tubing Cutter Set is a versatile tool set designed for cutting copper pipes, ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and general piping applications. This set includes 3 different cutters, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, offering flexibility for handling various pipe sizes. Packaged in a portable storage case, it also comes with handy accessories such as a reaming pen for removing burrs, 3 spare cutting wheels, and 1 spare deburring blade to ensure smooth and precise cuts over time. This toolset is particularly useful for professionals or DIY enthusiasts working on pipe installation or repair projects, offering durability and convenience. It fits well alongside other tools and accessories the user might be interested in, such as the razor blade scraper tool for cleaning surfaces or the Jorgensen No. 102 mini wood planer for woodworking tasks, given its practical applications in household maintenance. Product 8. Product name WALABOT DIY2, Advanced Stud Finder and Wall Scanner. The WALABOT DIY2, Advanced Stud Finder and Wall Scanner is a versatile tool designed for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals, allowing them to accurately detect objects behind walls. Compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones, this device utilizes advanced radar technology to locate studs, pipes, wires, and other hidden objects within walls, ensuring safe and efficient drilling or mounting. The WALABOT DIY2 stands out by offering detailed, real-time imaging that surpasses traditional stud finders, making it easier to visualize what's behind the surface. It connects wirelessly to your smartphone, transforming it into a powerful scanning tool with intuitive software that highlights the exact location of studs and electrical components.